We are under a tornado watch until 8 to 9 o'clock tonight, even though that the radio displays say 7:50. But yeah, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning until almost 8 o'clock tonight. And also I heard on the radio that this storm actually has a history of producing large hail, about $half size according to what the weather radio is saying. But right now it's not really doing much of anything.
In the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, S.A.M.E, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Philadelphia, Pike, and Schuylkill. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Pennsylvania: eastern Montgomery and western Montgomery. A strong thunderstorm will affect southwestern Montgomery, central Chester, and western Delaware counties. At 4:55 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Glenmore, or 14 miles east of New Holland, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and heavy hail are possible with this storm. Locations impacted include West Chester, Phoenixville, West Milton, Coatesville, West Down, Downingtown, Honeybrook, Elverson, Cheney, Marshallton, Lima, Youngville, McCourt, Gray Dunhill, Valley Forge, Glenmore, Powley, Chester Springs, Newtown Square, Youngville, and King of Prussia. The storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for west central Berks County. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wallingford, or 9 miles east of Myerstown, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Warrendale, Wallingford, Woodersville, New Manstown, Eastport, Burnville, Strausstown, Fairview Heights, and Spring Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for eastern Pennsylvania. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly into severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado going once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for southwestern Schuylkill, southern Northumberland, northeastern Dauphin, and south central Columbia counties. At 5:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Trevorton, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Shamokin, Mount Carmel, Kaufman, Eastland, Ellisburg, Fairview, Ferndale, Riverside, Tarleton, Jaredville, Marshallton, Williamstown, Tower City, Lavelle, Englewood, Arias, Fountain Springs, Wilburton, number 1, Locustdale, Swingerstown, and Burries Lake. This includes Interstate 81 mile markers 115 to 117. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and south central Pennsylvania. For your protection, go to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Schuylkill. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilmington, or 9 miles east of Myerstown, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, Wilmington, Wintersville, New Manstown, New Morgan, Spring Ridge, Shillington, West Reading, Mount Penn, Bolton, Kenhorst, St. Lawrence, Wyomissing Hills, West Lawn, Loran, Reefton, and Amity Gardens. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for eastern and southeastern Pennsylvania. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 for southwestern Schuylkill and southeastern Northumberland counties. At 5:18 p.m., National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for south central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Wernersville, or 9 miles west of Reading, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Wyomissing, Sinking Spring, Wernersville, New Morgan, Shillington, Moulton, Kenhorst, Flying Hills, and West Wyomissing. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Berks, Pennsylvania.
All right, guys, I'm going to have to sign off now. We're under a tornado warning, so,
274 in effect until 10 p.m. East.
yeah, we are under a tornado warning. I'm going to sign off. I'm going to take shelter now.